One. Alright, so in this one, I show the item how we make grease traps from these 20-gallon barrels.
Watch how I do it. After then a big one another one. We'll make something like this. Yes, I'll finish it. Then,
Part that I'm marking now is where we're gonna cut out. Alright. And this is a faster option opposed to using a tape measure every time. It's a combination where, two pieces in, one with a mesh that oil comes debris. So therefore you have to have what is called like a strainer. That takes the debris from the oil or filters it, or the filter. Now I want you to notice something carefully. With this grinder is no safety guard. See, all these grinders come with a safety guard. And it's in your interest to use so if you're not professional or not used to using this tool, so this grinder will rip your guard out. Cut your hands off, fingers even, if you're not careful. So be aware of that. Alright, so we'll do 3 minute equals ahead of time. If you notice in this area, I'm grinding away the paint so we're able to weld it properly. Right? Now we will clamp to hold it secure. Move it over a little bit. All is super.
it is the focus. See that?
Yeah. You know?
Hold this, Joe. Let me show you my phone.
Hold what? The phone?
Yeah. Scoop, scoop in action, huh?
Oh, it's a video. I didn't know that.
Got it.
Yeah, that's great. You know? You make a really big one that could also be useful for some of the mud tanks that
Yeah.
If we ever want,
Just a prototype.
yeah, I'm thinking get a giant one on some kind of a,
Iron bar.
yeah.
I got to change the handle on this one too. It's kind of serious.
Right.
Wanna try it, Sergio? Wanna try it, Sergio?
Sure. Let me get my gloves on. So now this thing. Oh.
Nice, eh? Yeah. That's 3 pieces of tool I made.
Okay, so these are still pieces of tool that was made to assist in taking out the debris from the leftover residue from this old oil. Alright? Alright, no, so the bigger the business, the bigger the grease trap they're gonna need. You've got small restaurants that will take these barrels, but then you have the fast food chains that do a lot of business, so they use a lot more oil on a daily basis, a lot more waste or old oil, used old oil. Now these old oil is stored and sent to other companies that does recycling with the same old oil. Alright, so we're making these bigger grease traps with the bigger tanks. Alright, and this is how that's done. I mean, it's not all the entire process you're seeing. I'm just giving you examples of how it's done. If you want to see more, like, subscribe, send us a comment. I'll be happy to hear from you. So yeah, it's done.
No.